So directly connect the microscope wire here. Total 5 plugins are there. 2 is UPS plugin and 3 is direct 240. So connect a microscope in UPS power supply and TV in direct supply. But this 2-pin plug point is for TV power supply. This is from battery supply for microscope 3-pin. Inserting any plug point. Take 2-side female wire and insert in any one side. Then insert it in machine. It on. This is on-off switch. 12-volt MX power supply. This is for foot switch. Here you see that red markings. While you are inserting this cable, you want to see that red mark cable, and here also one red mark is there. Just insert it in same manner. Okay. Here power input 230 volt and the fuse is below the cable. We have 2 different setup of binos. In this bino, this is 180 degree tiltable bino with reinverter attached. This bino is going to use for retina surgery and both cataract, but we have separate bino for cataract surgery also without. This is 360 degree rotatable. Take 90 degree or 120 degree lens, just insert in this way. Here we have fine focus adjustment also is there, up and down movement. While doing retina surgery, if we move like this means it will hit in eye. So just move up and then do like this. Then go for this setup is for how to install for retina surgery. Just remove the cap and rotate the screw. Remove the cap, just insert the bino. Screw it like this with full tight. Then it is fully screw it. Then tilt the bino. Take the biome setup, release the biome and just remove this. This is 360 degree rotatable. Now insert it in this way, like this, then move it. Then fit the lens. This is an XY coupling with 60 mm length. In X 60 mm length, in Y 60 mm length. Here we have fine focus, total 50 mm length movement, in top 25 mm length and below 25 mm length. Here we have 180 degree tiltable bino. Then diopter plus or minus 8. Here rotatable IPD adjustment. In this we have beam splitter with 50-50 ratio. This is for iris adjustment and this is for focus adjustment. Here the this is for camera movement adjustable and this is for camera this is for ostenscope angle movement and this is for ostenscope focusing movement. In this ostenscope also we have 90 degree tiltable Bino with 8 degree plus or minus. Then diopter adjustment also is there. Diopter adjustment with IPD adjustment. Okay, this is 5-step magnification. Here the illumination system. Just single press for single press on. If you want to increase mean, just rotate this. If you want to decrease, rotate back side. For magnification movement, we have foot pedal. In foot pedal, we see the magnification, up down movement, and here the fine focus movement also in foot switch. Here you see the movement. Then XY movement also in foot switch. After every surgery, we want to reset the total machine. In foot switch, there is a reset button is there. If you press the reset button, the total machine will get reset. Otherwise, if you don't use the foot switch, just go for XY. In XY, there is a single press switch is there. If you press this, the total machine get reset. Another option, LED